Today I am giving you a very powerful mind hack. Yes, a subconscious mind hack that is going to help you manifest what you are desiring. And especially if you are struggling in your manifestation, this will really help you break that block. Are you ready for it? I'm sure you are. Hey, hello awesome tribe. This is Awesome AJ, your mentor, guide and coach in your personal transformation. Now, so many of you are applying tools, techniques, processes, law of attraction, subconscious mind techniques. But if you are struggling in your manifestation, then this video is going to help you immensely. And if you are waiting for something like this, then do let me know in the comment section. Now, when you desire to manifest something, we always say that focus on the end goal, focus on the end result, what you are manifesting, which is absolutely fine, which it should be. But there are many of you who are thinking about your goals, desires and dreams, but you are not able to manifest it. And you are wondering why. You believe in the law of attraction, you believe in the power of subconscious mind, you believe in God, universe, everything, but you are not able to manifest. And then sometimes you wonder why it's not working for me. It's because there are some blocks you have created within your subconscious mind. Now, I have explained it before in my earlier videos that the law of attraction is always working for all of us without any bias or without any fault. But how the law of attraction is going to help us in our alignment of manifestation totally depend upon what are the beliefs and the thoughts we are having inside our subconscious mind. That is why the subconscious mind is the key to the manifestation part. Now, many people, when they have some goals, desires and dreams, they have the dreams, but they have a lot of blocks related to that dream, and that is holding them back. So today I want you to find that block and break that block. Now, how you are going to find that block? First, for today or for this experiment for next couple of days, first choose just one manifestation that you want to have for some time. And if you are not able to manifest, what is that one thing? First choose it and then ask yourself why you are not able to achieve it. And when you ask the why, the reason should not be something outside. It should not be that the economy is down, there is a pandemic, or there is the government is not taking the right things, or I am at the wrong place, or my family is not supporting, or people are not helping me. I am not asking you to find this kind of reasons. Find the why, which is relevant to only you. Why you are not able to manifest or achieve it. Maybe you are procrastinating, maybe you are lazy, maybe you are full of anxiety, maybe you are stressful, maybe you are fearful, maybe you are doubtful, maybe you are not taking care of the things that you're supposed to take, maybe you are not organizing yourself, maybe you are not being proactive, maybe you are not loving the process, what you're supposed to do to achieve this goal. So find what is that why, that block within you, within your mindset or within your activity or within the things that you are doing during the day. Find the why. And let me tell you, that is the biggest block, because I know that many people, especially there are students who want to score well in their exams, but they are procrastinating, or they are feeling lazy, or they keep saying that I hate my studies, and then all of a sudden they want to do good in their exam. So they have already created such block. Or people who want to manifest dream jobs, so they keep on saying that, oh, I don't have the talent, I don't have the skill, I am shy, I don't have the confidence, I cannot speak well, I don't have the talent and skill, I don't get the interview calls. So they keep on saying like this. Let me give you one example. Many years back, there is this one person who was this one lady. She was struggling to lose weight, and she has been to many dietitian, many nutritionists, and she keep on changing her diet. She has gym membership, yoga membership, and all kind of facilities, and she has taken all kind of memberships and she has everything, but she was struggling. So after going through many kind of changes or many people, someone suggested her that first you have to work on your mind, and you should find a life coach who should help you reset your mind. And then she kept on looking, then she was searching, then she found my website awesomeaj.com, and that's when she started reading all the success stories we have on our website. By the way, we have hundreds of success stories, people how they have achieved all kind of things, including dream job, exam success, relationship, losing weight, and all kind of things. So she found all those stories and she was inspired, and then she joined our programs and she went through many of our programs, and then she asked this thing like, what should I do? What is lacking? After knowing her story, I asked her, how do you feel when you go to the gym or yoga class or follow a diet? And the inner thing was she always hated it. Though she wanted to lose weight, but she was hating the whole process. So what was happening? She was going to the yoga class for a few days because she was hating it. Then she stopped going to the yoga class. Then she was going to the gym for a few days or few weeks. Then she was discontinuing it. Then she was doing some diet, following some diet for some time. And then she said, oh, this is bullshit. So I'm not going to follow it. Let me find something else. So she was jumping from one ship to another ship. So I said, you have to love the process. You have to change that voice in your mind that I love this process of transformation. I love to go to the gym. I love to go for my yoga class. I love the diet I am following. I love to eat healthy food. So you have to reprogram until that block will be removed. So you have to find your blocks like that. Ask yourself, why I am not able to manifest? And then form an affirmation, a positive statement, and repeat that again and again and again and again and again and again and again until you change that block, you remove that block, you do that mind hack and reprogram your mind for this manifestation. For example, if you are procrastinating, you have to reprogram that you are active, you are on time, you are doing everything actively, you love the process. If you are struggling in studies and you hate your studies but you have to study, you have to change it that I love to study, I love these subjects, I am scoring so well. So you have to reprogram. If you are losing weight, follow the way that I have asked the lady to follow it, that you love the process. Same way, if you are shy or lack of confidence, you have to say that I am confident, I can communicate well, I can perform well, I have the necessary skill, I'm developing my skills, I'm developing my knowledge. So you have to repeat it, and I want you to choose one statement that you want to create, that you want to hack your mind for this manifestation. And I want you to right now write that statement, write that affirmation in the comment section, so that you are going to tell your subconscious mind that you are going to use it or you are going to release it in the universe. If you are looking for some affirmations which can help you for maybe for dream job, losing weight, for money, for health, for exam success like this, you should go to our website awesomeaj.com and search for affirmation. You will find it there. Now choose this one affirmation or two affirmations for this particular thing and write it in a post-it pad or a paper and say it hundreds of times during the day, as many times as you can, so that it will go deep inside your mind and you break that limiting belief. Once you hack your subconscious mind, this block will be gone, then your manifestation will start happening at rocket speed. Yes, you have that power, but you have to remove the block. So if this video has inspired you, if this video is an eye-opener for you, if this video has given you the inspiration, like it, mention the affirmation that you are going to use to remove that block in the comment section, and share this video with someone you love. And if you are new here in our awesome tribe, hit the subscribe button, the bell icon, and be part of our awesome tribe. And if you want to learn more tools, techniques, processes, you can join our powerful program on our Awesome AJ Academy. So thank you. Stay motivated, stay awesome, and always remember, you have the power to make your dreams come true. Yes, you have the power. Thank you.